Welcome to Roblox Grow a Garden. Today, we're diving into the world of farming mechanics and how to enhance your experience. Did you know that animal pets significantly boost farming efficiency? Let's explore how they can help you grow your garden faster. Here's a sneak peek of the best animal pets that can take your garden to the next level. Now, let's break down each recommended animal pet and the unique benefits they offer. So, how do you get your hands on these amazing animal pets? Let's go through the steps together. Caring for your animal pets is crucial for maximizing farm output. Here are some tips to keep them happy and productive. Let's talk about common mistakes to avoid when selecting your animal pets. Trust me, you don't want to make these errors. To wrap things up, having the right animal pets can truly transform your gardening experience in Roblox Grow a Garden. What are your favorite animal pets in the game? Share with us in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content about Roblox Grow a Garden. See you next time.